Have you ever wondered what it really takes to build a home in Ghana? Welcome back to PS We're Exploring. In this video, we're taking you on our complete building journey, from breaking ground on an empty piece of land to seeing our dream villa reach roof level. If you've been thinking about building in Ghana, retiring here, or investing in property, this video will give you an honest look at the process, the progress, and the lessons we have learned along the way. Let's get started. It all began with a vision, a dream of building a home where family and friends could gather and where we could enjoy the beauty and warmth of Ghana. The first step was preparing the land. Watching the site transform from untouched ground into beginning of a home was both exciting and emotional. As the builder measured the land for the positioning of the building, everything began to take shape. Our dream started to feel real. From there, we watched the walls rise block by block. Every visit to the site brought new progress and renewed excitement. There were challenges along the way, but each milestone reminded us why we started this journey in the first place. This is a tour of the first floor as they finished blocking up this section up to the lintel. And this is when we see our house and could look at it and realize that this is really happening. We have now reached the height where the next phase will continue, and that is for the decking. After the preparation for the decking, the electrician will come in and install his sockets and all the other electrical appliance outlets.
Over here is the family sitting area. We have the fan here, we have one light here, we have another light here. To the middle, we have the chandelier, we have another light here, we have another light here. Over here, we have fan here, we have another light here, we have another light here. Okay, so this is the dining. Over here we have the fan here. We have two lights. We have one light here, one light here. In the middle is the chandelier. Is here. This side is one light. This side is one light. When we move to the next one, we have one fan here. We have one light here. We have another one light here. This is the dining.
This is the block work on the second floor. So the building is rising and everything takes shape here. You can see the fully installed deck at the back. And the second floor is rising. People, I can't wait to see the finished product. Here you can see the basement or the first floor and the second floor together. Look at the beautiful mountains that surround us, and there is a village. It's so beautiful. The masons just completed the septic tank.
Finish the classroom. They'll close the top. Here be wastewater. So here there no classroom. No, tomorrow they'll close the top. Finish.
This is the backyard. We have a few mangoes and stuff planted in there. Okay, so and the guys are working on the septic tank. This is our deck. It's scary to walk here right now because the deck doesn't have a railing at all. So I'm so nervous when I walk on the deck. Here is a door that enters the living area. Side is a big window, and that's the living room again. Go right there. So it's coming up. Blocks are coming up. We have a tractor working, making a line for the wall that we're gonna put up. We're gonna put a retaining wall. The staircase will be here, and the steps will be on the side of that wall with the red marker there. And it is an open concept living and dining. So living down there, and the dining will be in this corner here. And at the other hand, you'll see we're going to have a kitchen. So this is the open concept living room and dining, and at this end we have our kitchen with a door leading to a deck, a lower deck on the first floor. And this is a good view from this side where the tractor just created a nice driveway. started the installation of the steps. Then came one of the most exciting moments of all. Seeing the trusses installed completely changes the appearance of the house. What was once a construction site had now become a recognizable home. Looking back, we're grateful for everyone who has supported this project, from the workers and contractors to all of you who have followed our journey from the very beginning. Now we begin to install the burglar proof at the windows. Building a home in Ghana requires patience, planning, and flexibility, but watching your vision become reality makes every step worthwhile. The installation of the burglar proof has completed, and the next thing we've started is the installation of the doors. We've really come a long way. We were faced with unexpected expenses, but building a home in Ghana requires patience, planning, and flexibility. But watching your vision become reality makes every step worthwhile. After months of planning, hard work, and watching this dream come to life, I'm so excited to give you a tour of our home as it stands today. As you can see, the roof is now completed, and the house is really starting to look like a home. We're on the upper deck right now, and the views from here are amazing. We can see many villages around, and at night they all looks like a Christmas tree. The deck is spacious, and we look forward to hosting our friends. Let's step inside. This will be a nice little area where we can sit and relax. Over here is a small dining area, and nearby is the kitchen. The kitchen is open concept. This will be your main living area, a place where family and friends can gather, relax, and make lasting memories. For the kitchen, we wanted an open, functional design. As we continue through the house, you can begin to see how each room is coming together. Although there's still plenty of work to do, every room brings us closer to our goal. We tried our best to make sure the bedrooms were with big windows that brings in enough light. As we go down to the basement, one thing we have learned throughout this journey is that building a home takes patience, flexibility, and careful planning. There have been challenges along the way, but seeing the progress makes it all worth it. One of our objectives for the basement is to make sure it is bright and there is enough light coming in, so we put in some extra windows so everyone can feel comfortable in the basement. Look how bright it is. I'm looking forward to have a nice barbecue on this deck to entertain my family and friends. This is the front of the house. We wanted a design that feels welcoming, spacious and practical, while taking advantage of Ghana's beautiful climate. As you can see the layout, you can really appreciate the layout of the home. It's amazing to think that not long ago this was just an empty piece of land. This isn't just a house, it's the realization of a dream we've worked towards for many years. We're excited to share every stage with you. Thank you so much for following our journey and being part of this adventure. If you enjoyed this tour, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to PS We're Exploring and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next update. Our goal is to reach 3,000 subscribers, and your support truly means the world to us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next video.